and pick your stuff up.
Okay, reach, come and pick up your stuff.
Auntie wants to leave. Yes, Auntie.
So what are you doing, guys?
It's technically our off today. We took off because there was some inventory, right? And now we are free, so we are cleaning our house. I'm not free because I'm cleaning our house.
Clean your face and please brush your hair also. With cleaning home, cleaning
We are not
yourself is also important.
I'm not free. So, अभी इसको कैसे करें?
ये कर ली
हो गई डस्टिंग?
बाहर से की है?
हाँ सब कर ली
I need to set the bed. First, I'm gonna be putting this in the kitchen.
Yeah.
So yesterday, at night I did clean up my side table, and I add new stuff to it. For example, my diaries and my one picture frame and all of this new stuff I did add because I did start a journal, and all of it stuff I thought that I have empty pencil cases, so I pencil holders, so I can put that there. And now today in the pencil holders I'm gonna put everything. So yeah. Where will I put this? Behind the cam? So last night I was setting my bag, so now I'm gonna clean this place. And
Okay.
tomorrow there is not Urdu and science period, so I'm taking these out. Please, na. Please, na. इसे कल आपको ऊपर ले आऊंगी. ऊपर नहीं ना ऊपर. कल ले आऊंगी मैं. नहीं जाना, नहीं जाना. नहीं अभी नहीं ऊपर जाना. ओ मार दो. मार दो फिर मैं तो मारूंगा ना, पता चलेगा आपको. मैं आपको करने आऊंगी. Okay, so that was Aisha, aka Crazy Child, aka she learns bad words from cartoons. From you, Mama. How did she learn from cartoons?
Very
And
good.
from Aisha.
Yeah.
Each come and clean it. I'm not cleaning.
Who?
This girl.
धोना है तो मैं धो दूँ
नहीं रहने दो.
Mama, please say that girl to clean with me.
Yeah, she was cleaning. She has prepared your bag. Bhakti, close your bag and put it on its proper place.
Our room is so messy. Mama, I was hitting my bag last night. What is this thing called? Okay, so guys, in our room we have different baskets for different things. Like for example, we have a small toy basket. Means in that we put our dolls and small stuff. And then we have this big toy basket. In this we like put our trucks and big toys. That is our art area where mostly areej and it's like her workshop. She just does everything over there. So we keep everything on its respective places, not every time. Once after 2 or 3 weeks our room is really dirty, when we start cleaning it, then we keep it in its respective places, because after some time, as you know, our room will get like a zoo. Yeah, I need to even make my bed. And what's the time? Okay, so guys, now in this video we are gonna be even sharing our room tour with you. So let's go. Welcome in my room. Now that we cleaned our room, is really neat and also clean. Yes, it is. So our mother was sick. She was really sick, and because of that we did clean our whole house, whole room. And yeah, I recommend that everyone, our all friends should help their mothers when they're sick. Not only when they're sick, they help their parents, help their elders anytime they need help, like we did. And now, after I think so 1 whole century, our room is really clean. And I'm surprised to see that. So, for our hard work, remember to subscribe, comment, and share our YouTube channel. Until then, bye.